In this video, I will show you how to check graphics card in laptop. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this, but the easiest way to find out what graphics card your laptop has is from your desktop. If you come down to your taskbar at the bottom, and what you want to do is right click onto a blank space of your taskbar and then click onto Task Manager. Now, once your Task Manager has loaded through, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Performance. From here, if you look, you're going to see GPU 0 and probably something like GPU 1 or GPU 2. GPU 0 is generally the integrated graphics card on your laptop, so that's just going to be the default graphics, but the one labelled GPU 1 or GPU 2 is actually going to be your installed graphics card or drivers. So for example, mine, GPU 1, when I give that a click, if you look in the top right hand corner, we can see this laptop has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. So that's how to check graphics card in laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.